Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send money through Flywire. So what you're going to do is at first head over to pay.flywire.com and you're going to find the institution that you want to pay or select them from the drop down menu. And if you don't see it, then what you need to do is access the payment page through a link sent in your most recent invoice or in your student account. If you're paying an education institution, after it's selected, what you're going to do is enter the country that your payment is coming from and the amount that you want to pay. After that, you're going to click on next, and then you'll see all of the payment methods that Flywire offers, and it could be either your standard credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Just select the one that you want to transfer, and then you're going to enter all of the payers information. The person who is getting the money, put in all of their information, agree, click on next. After that, you're going to fill out the information, review it one more time, and then finally confirm it, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.